Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel, and I want to welcome you to my first market forecast for 2026. So I'm challenging myself that throughout the week or throughout the year I'll be making forecast video every week. Even if the market is playing my direction or not, I will show up and I will do a market forecast, and I'll be dropping my videos on YouTube. So if you are someone who is interested in knowing what the week is likely to hold, I would suggest you like and subscribe, and so you'll be notified when I drop a video on market forecast or anything about trading in general. So I'm going to start. As you can see, these are my currency pairs and the instruments I trade. So I believe if you stay with me long enough, so in total it means I'll be making over 50 something videos throughout 2026. So I want you to stay, and if you're able to stay long enough, you will eventually understand how to analyze the market, and also you'll learn one or two things from me. So firstly, I'm going to be starting with gold. So I'll be analyzing gold right now. So for gold, this is my take, or this is my forecast for gold. What I'm saying here is that market, you can see a rejection happened here. So I'm hoping that if market close this way, there's a possibility that we are going to buy till this high is taken. Remember, you saw a TP there when I started the video. So for me, gold is about to create a new all-time high, but it might happen this week or next week, I don't know, but it's very possible that market is going to create a new all-time high if market close like this. And gold can also do something funny again. Regardless, I'll still be looking for buys in gold throughout the week. I'm not looking for sales at all. Gold is too bullish to be looking for sale. Another thing I'm thinking is, or I'm observing, is market can come down to this level here, because in here is a key level. So I'm thinking market will come in here. After market comes in, then to go up till it takes this side. So all my analysis, I'll be looking for buy scenario. So market can drop here and buy. So let me now show you what market might do with the candlestick. This is what I'm suspecting market will do. Can you see this? What's it called? There's a wick here. So I'm thinking market will come, it will sweep this week. Then after I sweep it to the candle, and that candle will go up here. You understand? So I'm thinking market will sweep this candlestick, to take the liquidity of the low of this candlestick. After taking the low, tap into this key level and go and take out this high. So that's my take on gold. So I'm going to be waiting patiently for that to play out. You don't have to rush anything in the market. Just let the market come to you. It is very, very important. Let the market come to you. You don't chase market. So that's my overall take on gold. That we are bullish. Market will reject, step into the key level, then boom to the upside. So let me go to the German 40. As you can see, normally I like doing my analysis from the weekly at the start of the week. So this is my analysis on German 40. And if you know about liquidity, or if you watch my video on liquidity, can you see this is a low, this is a low here, this is a low, and it was swept by a low here. So liquidity has been taken from this low here. Remember in my last video, I said every high and every low in the market are liquidity points. Yeah. So this low has been taken. Now we'll be expecting price to come for this high. Price hasn't gotten, you see where price is, so price hasn't gotten here. So for me now, I'm expecting market to get to this high, take out this high, either close above it or sweeps it again. but market has to get to this high. So overall, this is where the whole market is heading to. But for now, for the weekly, can you see this another high? And this was last week high. This was last week candlestick. So you can see that the candlestick closed above the high of this, closed above this high, meaning price is looking to buy more. So whenever there's a candle closure with a body above an high, it means market still wants to proceed upwards. And our overall target is this thing, this higher that I pointed to. So we're expecting price to buy to this point. But for me, in weekly, I don't take my entry on the weekly. I go down to the 4 hours. So for the 4 hours now, if you watch my video, I have a video on element of price and how market moves. This is an expansion, yeah. This is an expansion. So for me now, I'll be expecting price to do something like this. This is an expansion. I'll be expecting a retracement. Then, yes, a retracement. Then to continue this way. It will retrace back, then it will go out. So that is that. I'll be expecting price to come. So what price can do now, since this is a daily candlestick, during the days, maybe Monday, Tuesday, market can come to this low, sweep this low here, then it will buy up. Yes, so that's my take. So I'll be waiting patiently for those things to play out. So I don't have to rush, since I know what I'm waiting for. So I'll just allow price to come into this low, sweep a low, then I'll look for an entry to buy. So that is that for German 40. Let me proceed to the next one. Just a minute. This is NAS 100. Sorry, I already drew some things. I'll be clearing them, so I'll explain it. So as you can see, for this NAS 100 or US 100, can you see, you have to know where price is coming from. And in this scenario, can you see where price is coming from? This is a low here, right? This low has been swept by this low. So obviously, we'll be expecting price or anticipating price to eventually get to this high. So that has given us a sense of a whole lot of direction that price is going to the upside, right? And if you take notes, but right now, it's just for us to have the idea of where price is eventually heading to. So we know price is still very, very bullish. So if you have to pay attention to the present candle formation or what candle is doing right now, can you see there was a sweep of this low? There was a sweep of this low here. This candle swept this low here, and we can see that the eye of that low is standing. If you watch my video, you understand the whole concept here. The low of this candlestick was swept, and this eye is still standing. So obviously we are still expecting price to still buy up. You get, because there's not been any sweep present here. So we'll still be expecting price to do what? To buy to this high. And another funny thing is, I'm still bullish on this NAS 100. Another funny thing is, this zone right here, where this candle is now, is what's it called? It's a key level zone. This zone is a key level zone. So this market closing like this now, as a rejected from this key level, there's something price can do. Let me show you what I feel price will do. If I tell you that I feel price can do it, it's just something price has done before, and markets repeat itself. So markets can do something like this. The next weekly candle can do something like this. It will come, sweep this low. After it sweeps this low, it will start going up. So if you sweep it, our next target will be here, right? We are expecting to take profit here, and this will be like my TP1. Maybe this one will be like TP2. This one is still standing. Then this is the overall target you get. Yeah. So that is that. Oh no, that'll be clear. So that's the overall for this right here. So another one, let's go to US 30. We don't NAS 100. The network is fluctuating. Okay, we have US 30 now. I have US 30. So for US 30 now, I have something very, very interesting. For your 30, it's still bullish. Almost all these things, almost all the ones I've analyzed now is still bullish. You can see here, this is what's it called, a key level that price is ejecting from, and our overall target is this high here. That's the overall target. That's where price is heading to. So in this scenario now, but if you notice something, there's something special happening here to begin. Let me delete this. Let me show you something else happening. Remember, this is the high. This is our overall target. This high. That's where I put the take profit. But it's not like I'll wait till it gets to that take profit. I'll just be looking for opportunities to get into. We eventually get to that take profit. If you this can you see this bullish candlestick? Can you see this bearish candlestick? It swept the low of this candlestick, right? After sweeping, it closed with a body, right? And we can see this low was swept. Can you see that this high is still standing? The high of this low is still standing. So definitely price is to go up to take out this high. So this will be like the TP1, then this take profit will be like the last TP I'll be waiting to like play the long game with. Yeah, so this I'm still bullish, so market will still create something then go up this way. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, but that's what I feel for years 30. BTC, I'm not really concerned about BTC in that way. I don't pay my attention to it. Right now, it's rejecting from a key level also. It's rejecting from a key level here on the weekly. You can see here, it has not given me a sense of direction. Actually, it does, but I'll still not be playing it. I'll still not be playing it. So, can you see that this low was swept? The low of this weekly was swept by this candlestick, and you can see the high is standing. So, obviously, price is still on to go on. We'll still go and take this high. So that's the overall target for BTC for now within this range. It has taken this low to go and take this high. Yes, that's it. So let me check my other PI. Okay, I've checked USD. There's nothing much here. I'm still on a weekly time frame, so if you're able to analyze like this, you just get a sense of direction of where markets will be heading to. Yes. So for the Euro USD now, there's nothing concrete here, other than I'll be expecting price to come down into this key level, this zone here, before price now buy to this high. So has to be expecting a drop. There has to be a drop first for price to come down into this field and buy up. So for now, I'll just be staying out and observing. For GBP, yeah, something clean happened there. Something very, very clean is happening here. So yeah, there's been a sweep of this low here. So we'll be expecting price, and this high is standing. So we'll be expecting price to go and take this high in the coming weeks. So in this scenario now, this low has been taken, so we're waiting for price to go and take out this high, right? Yes, something like this is going to happen. Since we are closing this way, this low has been swept, this high is remaining. We're expecting something like this till this high is taken. So this high is target for me. So it's just very easy if you're able to use single candle formation, liquidity to analyze the market or know where the market is going for that week. Yeah, there's nothing concrete here. I'll be passing. No, don't mind my drawing. I'll be passing. I'm not seeing any clear indication of anything here. So for CAD CHF, for CAD CHF, right, there's something important. Something important. Overall, for this CAD CHF, I'm very, very bullish on this one. It's kind of trickish, but overall, I'm still bullish because you can see here that price swept this low swept this low. Yeah, the high is standing, right? Price swept this low, the high is standing and it's close with the body. Yeah, but the following candlestick also swept the high and closed with the body. So meaning it's targeting this low now. Initially it was this low, now targeting this high. But now this high was swept, now it's targeting this low. But from what I'm seeing, this key level, there's a key level here. There's a key level here. Sorry, my network is going. There's a key level here. The key level here. Overall, this is where overall I'm expecting price to get to this place. Even though there's a play around here. Oh, we're having multiple key levels here also. This one is kind of trickish. I'll just stay out of this trade. I'll wait for market to give me more direction of what he wants to do. But for now, I'll be staying out. Once I'm done with row, I'll be done with the analysis. Okay, beautiful. Can you see here? There was a sweep of this low. This is a sweep of a low. Candlestick is bullish, closing in the body, and here's the take profit. So I'll be expecting price to do something like this in the coming weeks. To buy it till you take this side. So I'm still bullish on this trade right now. I'm bullish on this trade. Bullish. GBPUSD. Okay, it's already playing out in a way. Yeah, there's one more I want to analyze, and here's the JPY. Yes, I love that pair. So what happened on this year's JPY? You see, I have my take profit already, but price was rejecting for my key level here. Price is rejecting, so I'm looking for buys. Can you see price still going up? I'm looking for buys still. This side is ticking, or this side is ticking. No, this one. I'll be looking for buys. This side is ticking. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later.